front passenger screen lets you enjoy your favorite content, either over the vehicle's speakers or your own headphones. To pair a set of headphones to the system, make sure Passenger Screen Permissions are enabled in the main Uconnect display. To get started, press the Home button on the front passenger screen. You may have to swipe left or right to find the Devices widget. Select Manage Bluetooth Headphones. Make sure your device is in pairing mode, and then select Pair Headphones. Any devices detected by the system will appear on the screen. Select the desired device to continue. When the process is complete, a Pairing Successful message will be displayed. If no devices are detected or the process times out, the system will return to the Device Manager page. And you can repeat the process by pressing Manage Headphones. From here, you can also unpair a set of headphones by selecting the gear icon next to the device you want to remove, and then pressing Delete Device. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.